So guys, we're back again. We're getting a lot of questions and comments about how to clean my leather. So we've actually got this tan interior, and it's actually the vinyl with some leather on it, so we call it pleather, making a joke, plastic leather. We have taped this thing off because we're gonna show you exactly what happens when you thoroughly clean it, but you don't really think it's that dirty. You can see it looks okay, but it's really gonna look amazing once we get done. So we're gonna be using just a general all-purpose interior cleaner because this is a vinyl S leather, so we call it pleather. We're just gonna be using a general leather cleaner on the inside of this, but we're actually gonna put in the links below some true leather cleaning products that you can use that we recommend if you have true leather in your car. And look, if you don't know, reach out. We'll be happy to help you. We'll be happy to look that up. But look, there's YouTube and Google out there now. Don't believe everything you read on the internet. But give us a comment, give us a like, give us a share. We love the comments. We love to answer your questions. And let's see where we go. So we've got our interior cleaner. We have our brush, and we got a towel to wipe it off with. So we're gonna spray a little of the interior cleaner and just kind of mist some on. I don't mind to put a little on there. Set her down. Then we're gonna go and we're gonna start cleaning, right? And get in all of our edges right here on my line. Oh my, you can already see the dramatic difference just in brushing. Haven't even cleaned it off. And listen, when we get done, we're actually gonna go back, we're actually gonna put some conditioner on there, soften it up where we've opened up the pores of the pleather and take care of it. So we're using an interior cleaner. A lot of times any interior cleaner will do. Sometimes if you have genuine leather, you need to use a genuine leather product. But when you have pleather seats, any regular interior cleaner will do. And we are using our soft bristled leather brush and just a towel, just a regular microfiber towel. So what's the famous words when everybody calls you and they're wanting to get a quote for their car? Well, it's not that bad. Like it's only been a few months or 6 years or whatever it may be since they've cleaned it, but it's just not that bad. And when you look, it doesn't really look that bad. And now we're gonna show you what not that bad really looks like. And there is your not that bad. So now, since we've done our demonstration, I'm just gonna kind of clean and brush the rest of it. And then I have a conditioner that we're gonna put on the seat, and they'll be ready to ride. So it's just like, it's kind of like your paint. Once it gets dry, it's looking for moisture. It's looking for something to preserve itself. So if it can't preserve itself, it's gonna take the next best thing, whatever's placed on it. It can be the dirt transferring from your jeans. It can be the suntan lotion that you put on your body while you were at the pool or the beach. It can be some kind of chemical maybe that you pick up at work, but it's just a transfer from one material to the next. And then before you know it, it's changed colors. It's become a chameleon, only because it's trying to protect itself. And now you can see our line is gone, our edge is clean. So we're actually gonna use Ardex's Leather Perfect. Old school, I mean, this is really, really old school, right? Used to be one of the tops on the market. Now, we apply it to our applicator, and as you notice, it's not gonna be real greasy, it's not gonna be real shiny, but you just know that it's there. It's gonna soak in, it's gonna give it that fresh scent, but it's gonna give the material that moisture that it needs. One, it's gonna create a barrier between whatever you're transferring to it, but it's also gonna protect it and give it some protection between you and whatever you're trying to transfer to it. We get a lot of people asking, especially if they have a new car, they're asking, well, how often do I put this on my car? So there's a lot of variables to that. When you first get it, you should put some on there. Then you should get you a regimen of, once every 3 months or so, make sure the seat's clean, wipe it off, wipe some in. But now look, if you've had your car for 5 years and you've never cleaned it, you need to clean it real good and then apply it once a week for about 6 weeks. You need to rehydrate the leather. You need to re-moisturize it so it can soften back up so you don't get those cracks and lines. You know how when you don't hydrate and you got all these little cracks and lines and wrinkles? Seat is gonna do the same thing. So yep, and there it is. Doesn't have to be a lot. It's not gonna be shiny. Like I said, you just put some oils back in here, you put some moisture back in it, and you're ready to go, you're ready to ride again. So there we have it, guys and girls. Look, this thing is cleaned all over. We've actually reapplied our leather conditioner, and we hope you like the video. We hope it helps some of you. Please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, and be sure to stay tuned because there's many more from where this came from.